This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame with paper and cardboard. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need a piece of sturdy cardboard, at least 8 by 10 inches, along with some decorative paper for the front. Grab a ruler, a sharp craft knife, and a cutting mat to protect your surfaces. Don't forget strong glue or double-sided tape, a pencil for marking, and a bone folder for those perfectly crisp folds. Now, let's construct the base of your frame. Begin by cutting 2 identical pieces of cardboard, perhaps 8 by 10 inches, for a standard photo size. On one piece, measure and mark a 1-inch border all around the edges. Carefully cut out the inner rectangle using your craft knife to create the frame's opening. This will be the front of your frame. Next, glue your chosen decorative paper onto the second, solid cardboard piece. To add some lovely depth to your frame, cut 4 strips of cardboard. Each strip should be 1 inch wide and match the length and width of your frame's opening. These strips will act as the side walls. Carefully glue these 4 strips around the inner edge of your front frame piece, the one with the opening. This simple step instantly creates a beautiful 3-dimensional effect, giving your frame a professional and finished look. For the final touches, carefully align your front frame piece with its newly added depth onto the decorated back piece. Make sure all the edges match up perfectly before pressing down firmly to secure the glue. You might also consider adding a small cardboard stand on the back if you want it to stand upright. And there you have it. Your beautiful, handmade paper and cardboard frame is now ready to display your cherished memories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.